I saw that if you eat a date with butter and salt, it's supposed to taste like cookie dough. I'm not expecting that, but I gotta try this shit. Okay, so I have my date. I honestly don't think I've ever had a date. Took the pit out. Butter. Got a good chunk.
Holy cholesterol.
I literally heard people were like obsessed with this. I have my pink. I have Himalayan salt, not sea salt. What?
There ain't no way.
Here's what she's looking like. I'm honestly a little terrified to bite into this.
It's giving me the ick.
I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. Now, does it taste like cookie dough? That might be a little stretch. You wanna try it?